Hi, Elaine here, spiritual medium, mentor, and spiritual business coach. And if you've ever had those gentle nudges from spirit, maybe a sense that you're not alone, that deeper inner knowing, signs that make you pause, moments of clarity when things just fall into place and you haven't known how. You're not imagining it. Your intuition is calling, and this is your invitation to explore it. I'd love to welcome you to First Steps to Mediumship, happening on the 19th of July at 2 PM GMT, which is 9 AM Eastern and 6 AM Pacific. Had to work it out there. And we'll be gathering together online. And this is a safe, gentle space to begin your journey into mediumship, even if you're not sure what it all means yet. What does it all mean? Well, you might find out on the day if you join. We're going to explore how spirit communicates, the foundations of mediumship, and I'll guide you through simple, heart-led exercises to help you to begin tuning in. And whether you're brand new to this path or you've already felt spirit around you, this workshop is for you. If you've had experiences but didn't quite know what to do with them, or you've sensed a connection but haven't had the space to explore it, you're in the right place. You don't need any experience, just an open heart, a curious mind, and a willingness to listen to those sacred whispers within. Come as you are. Leave with clarity, connection, and confidence in your own spiritual gifts. Spots are limited, and I'd love to have you with us. So if this speaks to your soul, come and join me. Hopefully, see you soon.